Thank you for purchasing a Flaming Coals Gravity Feed Smoker. This video will take you through the assembly process to ensure a high standard of safety and precaution. We recommend moving the top first, then the side walls. Next, open the front door of the unit, retrieving all the parts inside that you will require. Be sure to hold the door, as opposed to letting it rest on its hinges. Remove the 4 sets of screws and bolts at the base of the unit so you can fasten the wheels into the correct sections. Make sure these are tightened loosely by hand first, and then tighten with a 13mm adjustable wrench. Next, using a PH2 Phillips head and Allen key wrench, start removing the screws on the front door of the gravity feed. Then, install the front door handle and latch. Unlike the other 2 handles, this one is not a duplicate and is a singular slim handle. Now, prepare to lift the unit onto its wheels, so it is in the correct standing position. Remember to lock the wheels in place so it doesn't roll when lifting. With the unit standing upright, remove the screws from the top of the unit and install one of the identical handles and latches, which will become our fire door handle. Once again, use a PH2 Phillips head and Allen key wrench. The same process is completed for the side of the unit, closest to the firebox. Next, screw in the air dampener by attaching it to the side door on the firebox. Next, remove the screws on the side of the unit in order to attach the handrail. Start screwing in by hand, then lightly tighten, so you avoid cross-threading. Following that, the chimney and the chimney O-ring should be screwed onto the top of the unit. The thermometer hole on the door should be cut out manually first. We recommend using your finger. Then simply attach the thermometer to the door and screw on. Finally, place all racks, water tray and drip tray into the gravity feed. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Thank you for purchasing a Flaming Coals Gravity Feed Smoker.